Caravan Salon 2021. This company, Podlunsek, is the manufacturer of these carbon fiber pickup units, camper, trailer camper. I've never really understood what word I'm supposed to be using for them, as it seems to vary from country to country. I have filmed this company in the past, but not under this brand name or this name. Then it was Hymer. Hymer has been taken over by this company, which specialised in, as I understand it, in buses and trucks. And so what they've done, they've added new capital to the company, and they've now tried to introduce two new technologies into this. So I have filmed something similar in the past at Caravan Salon last year. Actually, I do see some of the similarities, very clearly see some of the similarities between that one and this one. Here, let's go to the you've got quite a large shower for a unit of this size. Now, there's me in the shower. Close the door, and to be quite honest, there's plenty of room in here. You can see me probably. There you go. As is always with these sort of things, this will go up like that. There's your toilet below, and you can touch that up there. Vitby Frigo fridge, quite standard. Here you can use this to make an extra bed should you want to. I mean, 4 people and something of this size might be a bit of a squash. Let's have a look up here at the bed. So you've got a very large bed and a stack of space under it. So I'm standing normally at the moment under it, and there you can see this system for the bed. Certainly is a quality feel to the furniture. I feel like I opened that. I can't remember. I might have opened the same thing twice. Now, these things are built to order, right? So what's the electronics in it? Well, it depends what you order. You know, you can put there's plenty of space for things like batteries and what have you, particularly, you know, if you're building it in a particular fashion. I'm curious to know what this is here. Ah, that's part of where the toilet cassette goes. USBs. That's cost of something like that. Exhibition model with equipment 47,228 plus VAT, so 56,201, as I give prices with VAT. It's not been B2C. Right, grey water 65, fresh water 120, and external dimensions 417 by 210 by 226, and it's full carbon fibre cabin using 30-50mm of sandwich panels for insulation. Let's have a look on the outside. So why carbon fibre? Well, it's mainly because it's light, it's compact, and it's sort of, I think it looks relatively attractive. Here we'll have a walk in this one as well, and this one here, Revolut, this costs 44,000 euros. which is quite similar. Hey, Larry's Trucks DE, that's just of course the supplier of the vehicle underneath, but Larry's Trucks looks pretty smart. 48,000 euros. Oh, this one looks much nicer. So there you have 3 of these pickups and camper trailers. So I hope you found that of interest. Yeah, I think I'll finish off with this one here, because this one here looks the smartest. And yeah, that looks nice, doesn't it? I mean, that looks pretty serious, turning up on the campsite with something. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that of interest, and if you did, then you might want to subscribe, and if you didn't, then you won't. Can't say fairer than that. And so lots of stuff here though from Düsseldorf. I really don't know much about these trailers. I've filmed very few of them, so I don't think it's more than like 5 manufacturers on my entire site. However, I am present at Abenteuer und Allrad off-road show every year, which is held in Bad Kissingen, and there's lots of this sort of stuff there for you to see as well, should you be interested. This is not really the place to come. Caravan sale for this type of stuff, the off-road stuff, is not really the place to come, or the exhibition vehicles. The place to go is Bad Kissingen. So thanks very much once more for watching, and all the best from Düsseldorf.